What's up guys, Bodie here, BodieDavison.com. In today's video we've got a Redbubble throw pillow review. I'm going to show you one that I've designed up, or actually two, and take you through what it came out like and just what the quality's like and the material. Also got the insert that comes along with that, so we'll be able to check that out. If you're new to the channel, I like to talk about print on demand and making money online, so make sure you check out the channel, have a look around. There's the print on demand playlist and the Teespring tutorial playlist. Also join the free Facebook group, which is called Print on Demand Mastery, covering Redbubble, Teespring, and merch by Amazon. Check that out, completely free. And all you guys that are new to the channel, please hit subscribe and also like and comment on the videos, especially any video suggestions you have for me. Thanks guys. Alright guys, so today's video is a bit of a review on the Redbubble throw pillows and what happened when I made my own design and got it sent to me. So first of all, I just wanted to show you guys what the packaging looks like, because some of you have probably never actually sent the package to yourself and know what it looks like. So it's always good to see, so you know what your customer's getting when you're shipping out these items to them and you're not actually seeing them. So this is the package that it came in, just like that. I can show you this more clearly in a second when I turn the camera around, and then it's just got like Redbubble on there, as you can see. So it looks pretty cool. And then I'll just grab the throw pillow and show you exactly what it looks like. So when I got it, it also came with this Redbubble sticker. So that's another thing thrown in that you might not know your customers get as a little bonus, which is cool. So you've got that. This is the pillow that I got done, which is a YouTube subscribe throw pillow. So one that I designed myself. You can sell this as just the cover or cover plus insert. So this is the cover if you went cover only, which sells for around 28 to 30 bucks. You can sell them for. That's what I sell them for when I'm selling different things. And then you can also get the insert. So that's the insert that comes with them, if you're ever wondering. So now you know what that looks like as well when you're shipping that out. So cover plus insert, I usually sell them for around the $35 to $40 sort of mark there, and then low $30 mark for just the cover only. But it's up to you. Have a look at what other people sell theirs for and see where you want to price yours at. So this is the first one I got, which looks really good. I'll show you the quality up close in a second. But this is the second one that I actually got done. And this is the one that was disappointing and something that I want to make the video about. So this is the second one. And they're double-sided, by the way. And if you're wondering about sizing, this is the 40 centimeter by 40 centimeter, so that's the smallest in the throw pillows, but it's actually a pretty decent size, as you can see. So it'd look good as a throw pillow on a couch, but you can get them bigger, obviously. Redbubble themselves say that these are 100% spun polyester and quite durable. Now, the only issue that I have with this is, as you can see here, I got this one done and it's not perfect. I'll just flick the camera around and show you guys. So the design itself came out exactly how I wanted to. It's actually very high quality. The issue is, if you look just here, see that? It's like they kind of threw it in the bag when it was already, when it still had ink drying or something like that. You can see it up there a little bit as well. So very disappointing. The good news about this is though, this rarely happens with Redbubble. Redbubble's quality is actually really, really good. And even this subscribe one, I'll just chuck that back down again. Even the subscribe one looks really, really good. Like, we've got to agree that's high quality. It came out exactly how I designed it. And they're double-sided, as I said. And yeah, beautiful quality. So you can be assured that you are getting some good quality for your customers when you send these out. The only issue being what had happened with mine on this one back here, where it's obviously the ink has run or something's happened there. So not ideal how that's sort of the ink's run there, but the good news is Redbubble's really easy to deal with. So I got this on like sometime during the week. I messaged them about the quality and they get you to upload photos. If you ever have this issue, this is part of the reason I wanted to make this video. If you ever have issues with your customer, get them to take photos and send them to you. And then you just inquire with Redbubble, put in some photos, they'll get back to you literally the next day, and then they've got another one on the way to me. So if it was your customer, this has happened to me in the past with like t-shirts and stuff where the print hasn't been the best, and they'll just ship it out straight away. So The bonus here is that Redbubble said keep this, even though it obviously isn't the best, but you could use it for one side. Keep this, and they're sending me out another one. So if that's ever your customer, they're going to be quite happy with that service. So I'll just put this insert inside this one and show you what it looks like as the finished product. These have a very stealthy sort of zip, which is really good because obviously it's kind of hidden away. So it's kind of hidden away down the bottom there. You wouldn't really see it, and you would obviously have that at the bottom anyway. But yeah, I'll just put this inside this and show you what it looks like. And as you can see, the finished product, they look really, really good. Very vibrant in the light. They're really good quality. As I said, that's the 40 centimeter by 40 centimeters, so you know exactly what it looks like. And they are the perfect sort of throw pillows. So Redbubble is doing well by sending me out that one that they did stuff up, but it's not ideal, obviously, but at least you know that you can get in contact with them if there's any issues, and they will take care of it. Got these two pillows for my little YouTube studio here. It's coming along nicely for when I'm doing my videos, and yeah, I think it looks really cool. And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. A bit of a Redbubble throw pillow review, and just what happened with Redbubble and how they're reacting and fixing the situation for me. So that is good news for you if you have any issues with your customers. Thanks very much for watching. As I said, please hit subscribe. Please like the video for me. It helps me out. Please comment below any questions or video suggestions you have for me, and then I'll be able to answer them in videos. If you have more in-depth questions, join the Print On Demand Mastery Facebook group. It's completely free, and there's about 1,500 members in there, almost like 1,400 members. Make sure you join that, and I'll be able to help you guys out. Big things coming for this channel and for all of you guys. And big things coming in that group as well as we grow it, and we're going to succeed together. Thanks for the support, guys, and make sure you watch my YouTube and hit subscribe.